this is Jackie with WTI, and one of my all-time favorite smells is this grapefruit essential oil by Young Living. It is the best. I love citrus oils anyway, but if you're a citrus lover like I am, oh, you will just love it. Look at that dark, like orangey lid. It's stained from the oil. It has a really bright orange color because it is so concentrated with that grapefruit. Oh, it just smells like when you cut into a yummy ruby red grapefruit. It's so good. I like to diffuse it in the diffuser with Idaho blue spruce and a bunch of other citruses and a little geranium. It is my all-time favorite essential oil diffuser blend. It smells like the best candle that you could ever possibly dream of. The grapefruit oil makes you just feel so happy, and it's so fresh. It helps to get rid of any funky smells. If you cooked a bunch of stuff and you're trying to get rid of onion and garlic smell, diffusing grapefruit and those other diffuser blends, it just diffuser oils that I mentioned in a blend, it just smells so good and makes your house smell and feel so fresh and clean and just happy. So, but that's just my point of view.